Welcome back guys on another YouTube video. In today's video I'm going to be explaining the metaverse. I'm still explaining deeply the metaverse. Now the metaverse, as you know, at the moment is the growing project in the crypto industry. So anyone who doesn't know about the metaverse, this is the right time, or this is the right channel. If you're a beginner and you don't know anything about metaverse, stay with us till to the end of this video. You will get to know how the metaverse works. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video and commenting down the description about the video we have uploaded, plus signing up with our crypto broker, which is BINANCE Limited, which is the largest exchange in the whole world. Now without wasting time, let's snap into our needs. Top metaverse crypto coins to invest in. It's what we're going to be explaining more about today. Now remember, for you to participate in the metaverse, putting aside investing the real estate, investing the social network ABCD, you have to also invest in tokens or coins which are created on a blockchain of metaverse. Now cryptocurrencies are the metaverse money, and each metaverse has its own set of coins. Now in the metaverse, there's nothing we're going to use except cryptocurrencies, because cryptocurrencies, like we told you, it's the blockchain is the transfer of value. The transfer of value is cryptocurrencies. Why? They are digital and they operate on the internet. Now it is going to be like the payment method we are going to use in the metaverse. So you have to know about which currencies are suitable for you to invest in. They are used for paying everything, including NFTs, virtual reality headsets, ABCD, real estate, avatars. Anything you would like to access in the metaverse, you will be able to pay using cryptocurrencies. Now we have what we call real estate. Real estate is buying of land, virtual land in the metaverse. You can use, there is a currency called the Seriland Mana. This is cryptocurrency which you can use to buy or afford real estate in the metaverse. Now we have NFTs. These are pieces of artwork which are programmed due to the different blockchain technologies. Now, purchasing all this stuff, you have to be using these crypto coins. I'm going to explain in brief. The first one is called Sandbox. The second one is called the Seriland Mana. The third one is called the Meta Hero. The fourth one, Meta VPad, and the last one is Star Atlas. Now all these cryptocurrencies are found on the coin market cap. So if you have access to the coin market cap, you can sign up with coin market cap to access or make more research about all these cryptocurrencies I've tried to explain for you in brief. Now without wasting time, I think this marks the end of our video. We were briefly explaining or giving examples of metaverse coins which are going to be used by people in the metaverse. Don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video. If you feel it's important to share a video or content with other fellows, you must share this video, plus commenting down in the description, plus signing up with our crypto broker we advise, which is BINANCE. Follow us on our social media platforms, plus our free Telegram channel. All the links are down in the description.